Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a super easy, colorful eye look that's perfect for beginners. It just has the right pop of color while still looking soft, natural and dreamy. I've already prepped my eyes. If you haven't seen my video on how to easily cover dark circles, I'll link it here for you. Please check it out. If you're a beginner, place a small piece of tape along the outer corner of your lower lash line. This helps guide the shape of your wing and catches any fallout while you work. I start applying the lightest color on the palette to the entire eyelid. Today is one of those days, little sleep, lots of screen time, stressed eyes, but I wanted to show you this close up to remind you that even on days like these, you can still create a really pretty eye look. Next, I'm taking a light peach shade and gently buffing it into the outer crease, then blending it slightly onto the lid. This creates a soft base shadow and makes the rest of the blending much easier. Now take a bright eyeshadow and place it on the outer corner of the lid. Slowly blend it outward, following the direction of the tape to create a soft wing. Then, gently bring the color towards the center of the lid, following the natural shape of your eye. Keep everything smooth and blended with a clean tapered edge along the tip. For this step, I'm using a bright fuchsia shade. Here's a tip. If you want the color to look even brighter, slightly wet your brush and then dip it into the eyeshadow. Applying it with a damp brush helps the shade appear more vibrant and intense on the eye. You can really use any bright shade here. I'm just using a fuchsia pink. Now add a small amount of shimmer to the center of the lid and gently tap it onto the lid. Keep the step very subtle, just enough to add a soft glow without overdoing it. Next, take the same pink shade and lightly apply it to the outer crease, blending it inward. Do not bring it all the way across the lid. So when you open your eye, you should be able to see a gradient effect with the darkest part towards the outer corner. Then go back in with the same shade and slightly deepen the wing. This helps create a soft blended ombre effect across the lid which looks stunning. Next, I'm taking a blue eye pencil and applying it very close to the lash line, focusing only on the outer half of the eye. I'm also adding it to the outer half of my waterline to softly define the eyes. Blue pairs beautifully with pink and really makes it pop. You don't need to be very precise because we will blend this color. Using a brush, gently soften the blue liner. Don't overblend it. You just want it softened, not completely diffused. Now, again go back in with the shimmer to give the look a dreamy finish. Focus the shimmer on the center of the lid only, not all over the lid. Next, to balance out the pop of color, I'm using an earthy brown pencil on the inner half of the eye. I'm applying it along the waterline and close to the upper lash line, then softly smudging it out with a brush. This step helps ground the bright colors and add definition without overpowering the look, which is especially great for beginners. If you have smaller or hooded eyes, keep the brown very thin and close to the lashes. For larger or round eyes, you can smudge it slightly more to add depth and balance. Then go in with a black eyeliner and apply a very thin line, staying as close to the lash line as possible all the way across the eyes. This step is important because it adds definition and helps the color stand out more, making the pop of color look brighter and more polished without overpowering the look. To finish it off, load up your lashes with a nice coat of mascara on the top and bottom. No need to go crazy with mascara or add false lashes here. We're just keeping this look colorful, fresh and natural. And if you mess it up just like I did, don't panic. Grab a Q-tip and clean it up right away. Then, lightly fill in your brows. Just a little, nothing too dramatic. We want them to frame the face, not steal the show. And now for the most satisfying part. Let's peel off that tape and reveal that clean, sharp edge. Dust away any fallout under the eyes and then go in with a little concealer to clean everything up and brighten the under eye. And there you go. A playful pop of color that's beautiful, fresh and still looks natural. This is the entire eye look. Here's the look with one eye without the blue pencil, and now with the blue you can really see the difference. I hope you like this playful, colorful look that's still soft, wearable and beginner friendly. It is proof that makeup doesn't have to be complicated to be beautiful. If this video helped you, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.